Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over a quick tip on how to get your camera white balance. Very simple by using a gray card. A lot of people actually do not know you could actually do this in camera with Nikon. It's been around with the DSLR camera, so it's nothing new. Located in the same spot, name's a little bit different, but at the end of the day, it works the exact same way and it helps a lot. So this is the actual gray card that I use, or the gray thing. It's pretty simple. Bends it up, folds up pretty neat, put it in my bag. Works great every single time. And when I'm in my studio, I actually use this card here. Works really well. Just hang it up and just kind of do my thing from that. So with the gray card, you're just going to look for the I meter or the I button. You're going to press it. Once you get that menu comes up, it's going to give you that white balance. Once you get to the white balance, you want to move your cursor over to preset manual. When you get the preset manual, you're going to see a little icons coming down. It says either I to go back, OK measure mode, and then OK as well. Once I find the preset manual, I can then press down on the cursor. You can set up either one of these. So if you're always going to be in your studio like I am, I have it set for D1, D6, D5, but I'll know that that's my number for my studio for specific lighting that I always have. So I never have to change it. I never have to look back at it or reset it. It's already done. But for this instance, I'm going to use D2. And we're just going to push the arrow down just to get that D2. We're going to set up preset 2. And then once you do that, you can adjust what you want in the colors. So we're just going to take one step back. Right here, the custom menu, there's a portion that says OK measure mode. Once you get measure mode, you're going to see this. Once you see that, then you're going to go ahead, press OK. Making sure that square is lined up in the center here as much as possible and are covering the majority of the gray card. So once you're doing that, you should be okay. You press it and you're finished. There's nothing else to do after that.
Went outside, took some pictures with my kids' toys. One was with white balance, direct sunlight. The other one was metered with the gray card. Both of them were metered correctly. I'm just going to pull out the histogram here so you can see a little bit better. Settings were both the same. Right? ISO 100, shutter speed 250, 2.8. So you can see the difference in between the two. Once again, both were metered correctly. I was shooting on a fireplace that was outside. Sun was bright. 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in Toronto. So you tell me which one do you think is metered and not metered. I'm here using Capture 1. So metered direct sunlight. And we also have another one as well that was metered with the gray card.
I hope you enjoyed the video and you've learned a little bit more